Hello guys, welcome. I hope you're all doing fine. In this video, I'm going to share with you a technique that will allow you to take any four cards and place them in different parts of the deck, and you can also push them in well cleanly, and if you want you can give them a shuffle, and in that action you can actually bring those cards right back to the top. That is a multiple shift. Basically, it's a very flexible technique. I will talk about a few applications of it towards the end of the video, and so if you are interested, keep watching. Alright guys, before we get on to the tutorial, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you like card magic, I'm sure you will love my content, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you wouldn't miss any video. Alright, so now let's start learning it. First of all, you start off by putting the four cards in four different places, but you are actually putting it in the top half of the deck, okay? And you will place it side jogged like that. And what you're gonna do is you are going to push them in, but as you do that you will apply pressure on this corner towards this corner of the deck, okay? So you're gonna apply pressure from the top right corner towards the lower left corner, okay, with the right hand. So what happens is that this, okay, you're gonna get into this position as you can see, okay? It's out jogged or it jogged towards your end, okay? At this point you're gonna do two things simultaneously, okay? But I will be breaking it into parts, but in practice it will be in single continuous action, okay? So what you do is you're gonna press with your second finger and thumb of the left hand like that, and that will put the cards in this position as you can see. Now with your right thumb you're gonna move them towards the left, okay? What happens is it will give you this situation, okay? The four cards are actually out jogged to the left side, okay? And this, now remember, this is covered by your left hand, okay? The left hand will be like that, okay? It will be covered, but from this angle it's very obvious, but from the front it will be covered, okay? Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up with your thumb at the bottommost out jogged card, okay? And you're gonna lift up like that and move it towards the right till those out jogged cards are in line with the lower portion of the deck, okay? So now these cards are in line with the lower portion of the deck at this point, and also notice that the top half will be out jogged to the center, okay? So now you will strip these cards out and you will do a shuffle, but you will keep those four cards on top, okay? And you will complete the shuffle and you will have the cards on top. That is the basic technique. Now you can also use this technique, same technique, to control the cards to the bottom, okay? And how that works is it's the same way, but just one slight change. You're gonna do everything the same, okay? You're gonna push it in very slowly, press with the thumb and index finger and move them towards this side. And now instead of moving this packet to the right as usual, what you will do is you're gonna start a ladder type of cut, okay? You're gonna do a running cut, but at the first time you will strip all these four cards, okay? You're gonna strip them out and you're gonna keep putting cards on top of that, okay? Now that what that does is it controls the four cards to the bottom, okay? So as I said earlier, it's very flexible. You can control it to the top, you can control it to the bottom also, and you can of course do it with a single cut, okay? You can put them in and you can do that squaring action. You can push them in and do that, and you can also do with a single cut. Okay, you don't need to do a shuffle, you can complete it by a single cut, it will still work. Okay, so that's it. Now also remember, once you have stripped these cards out, if you want, you can shuffle 2 cards on top of it, and you can show the aces are not on top and not on the bottom. Okay, it's very simple. All you do is hold this card, hold 2 cards back, and complete the shuffle. If you want, you can do a table faro if you can do that, and that will put a card in between each ace, right? A card, ace, a card, right? That will put a card in between each of the aces. So as I said earlier, it's a very flexible technique. You will find many uses for it, and in the future video I will do a trick that actually uses this sleight. So yeah, that's the technique, and I hope you liked it, and I hope you will practice it, and I hope you will find some use for it. Okay, so play around with it, have fun, and I am sure you will have a great utility move in your arsenal once you master this technique. It's such a strong move, and I hope you enjoyed it. And also subscribe to the channel, and make sure to ask any questions or doubts that you have in the comments. Also give me any suggestions that you want to tell me, and yeah, I will see you next time. Bye, take care.